Yes, Shobana ma'am, Garudia joined ma'am. Please start ma'am.
Yes, sir. Now I request Mahalakshmi to deliver welcome address.
Ma'am, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, Mahalakshmi, proceed please.
Yes, ma.
A very good morning to one and all gathered here. On the RMD Engineering College, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Institutions Innovation Council has organized a webinar on Conceptualize Your Innovative Ideas into Prototype. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to welcome you all for this webinar. Stars shine at night. Some stars shine at bright daylight. It's our pleasure to welcome one such star, Mr. G. Karudiar, the Honorable Chief Guest of today's webinar. We welcome you, sir. A woman with great vision and mission, an icon for hard work. The essence of great leadership is influence, not authority. With this note, I wholeheartedly welcome Dr. K. Helen Prabha, the head of the department, for this webinar. We celebrate your leadership and you keep on influencing us. We welcome you, ma'am. The art of teaching is the art of assisting discovery. With this, I welcome all our faculty members for this webinar. Last but not the least, I sincerely welcome all our student friends for this webinar. Now, Mr. Deepak Kumar will deliver introduction of chief guest.
Ma'am, is my voice audible, ma'am?
Yes, Deepak Kumar, continue.
Hi all. I am so elated to quote certain amazing traits about our today's chief guest, Mr. G. Karudia, sir. He is a senior embedded developer in automotive electronic in BMW company. He has 6 years of experience in this sector. He has pursued his Bachelor of Engineering on ECE at the year 2008 to 2012. He has completed his Master of Engineering in Embedded System at the year 2013 to 2015. And finally finished his MBA on Technology Management at the year 2015 to 2017. Now, let us see his astounding technical skills. He is very skilled in computer languages like C, C++, Embedded C, and is also talented in protocols like UDP, TCP, etc. And here comes his magnificent professional experience. He has done research and development projects according to the customer requirements. And he is currently working in BMW AutoSAW co-module for the next BMW series, which is very interesting. He is also developing a C code and doing a requirement analysis for BMW engine ECU. Furtherly, he is working on developing CAN protocol for ECU communication, and he had done IoT development for smart sensors. Now, finally, let us get into his endeavor in research work. He has published so many papers, and I'll brief some of it. Handwritten recognition on ICRAPID 2014. And second one is encryption scheme on cryptographic signals in Web of Science Journal. And multiple home automation using single Raspberry Pi on Springers. And finally, an SDR application in ICM 2014. I feel really grateful and lucky to have such a passionate person as our chief guest. And I hope today's session is going to be very useful and interesting for us. With this, I end up my speech and I hand over the mic to Mahalakshmi. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepak Kumar, for your wonderful introduction. Now I hand over the session to chief guest, Mr. Karudia.
Hello everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much for the introduction and for this opportunity. Can you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. I'll start to present my screen because we have very less time and we can start immediately. Please let me know once you can able to see my screen.
Yes, sir. Screen visible, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Hello, guys. Good morning. Yeah, and before start this session, again, one more time, thank you so much for this opportunity. And you people have given enough introduction about me. Thanks for that as well. And today topic already you know that ideas into prototype. So this 1 hour session, I can try how much is possible based on my experience. I will explore all the things. And very important thing is this should not be a one way. That's what my interest, I can say. The thing is, whenever you people have a doubt, students, whenever you have a doubt, you can ask me, you can stop me anytime. It's not at all a problem. And you can ask all the questions relevant with technical, or if you have some questions relevant with management is also okay. Because I heard from Mr. Arul sir, like you are from third year and final year students. So I'm really interested and delighted to take this topic. You know the reason. So till now, whenever people are approaching me or our team, so always they used to ask for generally technical sessions, machine learning or IoT, some other. If you have a doubts, you can send me a message as well. And that means in a chat, I can see this one. So everyone are saying good morning. Thank you so much again. And good morning to everyone. So here the concept here is and ideas into prototype. So we are going to discuss about generally how we can change our ideas into prototype. That is a very important point. And since you people are from engineering background, so we can take one example from our electronics background, because I am also electronics guy and I have done embedded system in master. So we can take one idea from electronics background and we will discuss how we can change to prototype. Okay, so when I have done a master, based on my experience, I have taken multiple ideas, and some of the ideas I moved to prototype. And even in the industry also, always we are taking idea and first we will try the prototype. Prototype is equal to the proof of concept. Okay, so today the plan is we will explore our idea, and if you guys, that means my friends, if you have an idea, you can tell me and I'll help you how we can change to prototype. Okay, but everything is within this 1 hour or 1.5 hours. But if you people need, then we can extend that one also. For me, not a problem. Okay, right. Let's enter into the our topic. Ideas into prototype. So, guys, what is idea? Can someone say what is idea? Guys, again, I told you this is not going to be one way, like, because it's a completely theoretical session. So don't think that I will completely show some presentation, I will talk continuously and you can simply sit. No. So I always need a answer or a discussion or active. You people should be active. So I'm expecting from the audience. So what is idea? Can someone say? You can mute your mic, unmute your mic, and you can share your thoughts.
Students, you can unmute and please interact with the
yeah, because the interaction is very important. Otherwise, definitely this 1 hour, not 1 hour, even 5 minutes, 10 minutes, everything will get bored. So the interaction should be necessary. So what is ideas? You can say in a simple term. You don't need to write for 5 marks or 10 marks or 16 marks, nothing. Just a one word. What is idea? What is idea? That's what you can think about it. Do you guys, why you people need this topic especially? Can someone say why you people need ideas into prototype? Guys, if you feeling that I think 153 participants are there and now 154. If you guys feel some uneasy, then you can send it in the chat also, not a problem. What is idea? Guys, see, third year and final year, guys, you should open, because industry, we have a lot of opportunities now. Okay, due to this pandemic, lot of opportunities are there in the IT areas, meaning core areas. In automotive side, we have a lot of openings. Okay, so now, you know, one thing, BMW side also, we started to recruit freshers as well. But it's off-campus drive. We are recruiting a lot of freshers because we have a lot of projects. So if you people doesn't open your mouth, no one is going to recognize you. Even though you have a lot of talents inside you, that's nothing is going to help you. Just talk. See, you don't know me, you didn't see my face, nothing. So you can feel free to say anything. Guys, try. So we don't need to waste of our time. It's almost, we have crossed 15 minutes. So please, solution to some problems. Okay, so solution to Gayatri, thank you so much for your answer. Solution to some problems, it's a point, but when you are executing or implementing or you are designing your idea, then solution to some problem is the right. But what is idea? You can imagine now we are communicating or we are speaking or we are discussing in Zoom now. So before 3 years or 4 years, the Zoom, people have to together, or they have to join in one medium, and they have to interact each other. They have designed before 2 years. It was an idea. Expression of thoughts, Anita, it's really good. Thoughts, it's, we can say that idea is equal to thought. So I am feeling something, I am seeing something. You know one beautiful example. This is I heard from someone. Okay, I didn't read it anywhere. Actually, once upon a time, very long back, before introducing the nano car, you all knows about the nano car. So before some years, actually Tata, who was walking on the road, actually he have seen one bike with 4 people. Okay, that means one family. They are riding in bike, husband, wife, and 2 daughters. And he have thought about it. Might be they are spending around 60 to 70,000 for that bike. That means motor bike or motor bicycle. They are spending around 70,000, and 4 people are traveling. And why can't we design one car for 1 lakh? If we will design such a things, will it be useful to the people or not? This was an idea suddenly came into his thought, and he have implemented it. Okay, that means they moved to prototype, and finally they introduced in the market, and they have, whether it's success or not, that's not a problem for us now, for our discussion. That's a business, so we no need to worry about the whether it's success or failure, but what kind of idea it came in his mind and how he executed, how they implemented. You can think about it. For 1 lakh, they have designed a car, and they have just delivered, and they have just sold out in the market. So you can imagine how the idea, they move to prototype, and finally they become a solution. So solution is the end user, the final end. But we are going to discuss in the first part only today, ideas into prototype. So this is one example how they have changed to ideas. And Valar, you have measures thoughts that can put into action. Yes, exactly. So that's how we have a thought, meaning I have an idea. For an example, I'm just talking to you all guys. If I have a chatbot in the same Zoom, will it be really useful? You can imagine that. Meaning is, instead of me, the chatbot itself is answering your question. I'm asking a question, you people are giving an answer, and chatbot will analyze your answer and will say that it's right or wrong. And finally, it will share one link. From Wikipedia also, it's fine. We'll share that this is an idea. You can take example for this. This is an idea. You can imagine. This feature is not there in the Zoom. So we can implement this feature in the Zoom. Then it will be useful for in tomorrow's meeting, meaning is in future meetings. Correct. Even for our meeting, now currently, I am just saying one idea. How we can change this one into prototype, and finally it become a solution. That's what we are going to see now. Clear? Any questions, guys, in the topic? Because see, very important thing is you should understand the topic, then we can move inside, then only it will be useful. I hope you can you understood these points clearly. Right, perfect. Now we'll go to the next slide. I have some... do you guys have a control to, is anyone have a control to move the PPT, or do I have the control? Because I can't able to switch to other slide. I'll 1 minute, I'll stop my sharing.
Joined with the laptop or mobile?
Oh no, I mean laptop. I'm using my laptop.
Full screen and
actually I did like that, but I will start to share again. Yeah, can you able to see my screen again?
yes.
Yeah, okay, perfect. So I'll go here. Right, guys, next point is first we discussed ideas into prototype. Next step is, what is the difference between invention and innovation? Can someone say what is invention, what is innovation? Because maybe you can think about it, why he's explaining topic is ideas into prototype, why he's thinking about innovation, invention. So it has everything is interlinked. Okay, I'll connect you nicely, so don't worry about it. So can someone say what is innovation, what is invention? Guys, again and again I will say one thing, this session is completely going to be interactive. So if people doesn't open your mouth, definitely it's a one way, and finally didn't get anything. What is innovation, what is invention? Yeah, so better you people are sending a message chat, it's very good, but now we are in the second question. Can someone open your mouth and you can say something? Even Prasad said innovation is a modification of some invention. Okay, inventing, creating new innovation, Deepak said. Invention is creating something new. Exactly. Okay, fine. So guys, invention and innovation. So invention is a completely new idea. So it's not available in the market. It's completely new. And innovation is actually already we have the technology and we are modifying it. You can take example of car. In car, we are doing R&D. People are doing R&D. Multiple companies are doing R&D. So everything is an innovation because who have designed the car, that is an invention. So once they invented, and automatically we are just adjusting it based on the user needs in the sense people needs. So currently electronics is lot of involvement there, electronics involvement are there in the vehicle. So you can imagine why electronics has introduced inside the vehicle. The same point, because for innovation, because people, that means people mindset is they want to see many things what's happening inside the car. That's what the main, because for example, that's called a dashboard. You can think about the bike, you people have a bike, but you want to, you need a Bluetooth there, you want to see the movie and you want to attend the call, you have to see that where you're going, maps, this, that, everything. So all this happens because of electronics. Okay, so that is also one of the reason electronic students have a lot of opportunities in automotive side. Okay, that's fine. Now come back to our point, the innovation and invention. The thing here is when invention is just actually a creation of a new product. So ideas into prototype, you can do it as an invention or innovation. That's your wish. For an example, you have anyhow in the final you people are going to do the project. In the project, are you people are doing invention or innovation? Based on your answer. You are a final year guys, you are going to do the project. I think this is the right time to start a project for your final 8th semester. So is the innovation or invention? Invention. Anyone guys plan for the invention? Meaning is you people have idea now. So you have to change to prototype, even though you doesn't know whether it will work or not. Even it's existing solution, but you doesn't know about it. So in a final year time, you are going to change your ideas into prototype. The idea might be come from anything. Cryptography, you can say security relevant or machine learning, both invention and innovation. Valar Mangai. It's good actually if you are implementing something in invention, but invention and innovation together, we can say that such a kind of product will not be available. Because if you have Ramya saying that it's completely innovation. Yeah, perfect. So the thing here is invention is completely referred to the new product, and innovation is actually act of making some changes. So act of making some changes in the sense, already I said the example in vehicle, how we are doing currently. Okay, you can think about now, you have one idea in innovation. How will you change into prototype? Okay, it's one example. And you have an idea in invention. How will you change to prototype? Finally, we are going to reach till prototype in the today's session. Okay, right. Then next question is, what is the difference between creativity and innovation? What do you mean by creativity and what is innovation? So innovation already you know that. So we no need to focus on that point. What is creativity? Any answer? What is creativity? See, you can imagine in the filmmaking, someone is sending answer. Putting imagination into reality. Exactly, Roshni. So creativity is actually imagination. Okay, so if you can able to change the creativity to the solution, then into the reality is the perfect answer. But creativity is actually imagination. You can imagine you have a story for Rajinikanth. So you have a one-line story. That's an imagination. Okay, so if you want to change to as a movie or into reality, then you have to convey and you have to find a producer and you have to select the actor and actresses, and you have to do the selection of the place where you are going to shoot this film, everything, music director, this and that, everything, and finally it will become as a solution. This is what actually ideas into solution and ideas into prototype. So prototype means here, see, finally the movie is ready to release, then that's a solution. The prototype meaning is after taking some shoot, they used to run as a sample movie in the editor point of view, and they will select everything. That is actually a prototype. Did you get the point? What is prototype? What is solution? Prototype is actually when you are shooting a movie and you, director and editor, is sitting and they are seeing how they have shoot the movie. This is called a prototype. And finally clubbing everything, adding music, this, that, CFG, everything after adding, and it's ready for a final release. That's called a solution. So solution means generally software will be released as a beta versions. beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, and after some releases of beta versions, then finally they will come for the final release. This is what exactly happened for all the software, including WhatsApp, Facebook. Why I'm picking the example from movies, then only you people can easily relate it, because we know and we have an idea, we have everything based on only movies, so we can easily relate it. Okay, so that is the reason actually I'm saying I'm taking an example from a movie. Okay, clear? Right. So this is what exactly we are going to see today, how we can change one idea into prototype. And we'll go back to next slide. We'll actually, creativity is an imagination and innovation is just an implementation. So first you have to have a creativity, then we have to move to innovation. This is what. And exactly what is prototype? The prototype is actually a virtual or real model of your invention. What do you mean by virtual? Do you have any idea what is virtual? What do you mean by virtual? How we have connected now? No, we should not say that virtual is online. How we have connected. So I can understand maybe your answer is relevant with how we connected. It's online. We should not say like we can connected in online. No, not digital. Question is not digital. Virtual is something different. Imagine, exactly. So we can feel that virtual is actually an imaginary point. Imaginary point in the sense we all are connected in internet, okay, in Wi-Fi medium. But I can't able to see you, you can't able to see me, meaning you should not say that you can switch on the video and we can see all. No, not like that. Generally, not physically, we didn't connect it physically, right? If you want to give something to me, you can't. So if I want to give something to you, I can't, because we all are connected virtually. So virtual is actually imaginary part, we can say, and it's not a digital. We are using the medium from a digital, but not exactly the digital. Okay, virtual is a kind of imaginary, we can feel that. And physically not able to touch physically, that's very important. And what does prototype mean is, if you have an idea, you want to change the prototype, and first you have to go for a design. So how we can go for a design in these days? For an example, if you have a plan in your mind to change ideas into prototype, and what kind of design you will go in these days currently? For an example, you want to maybe any product, any product. In example, in electronics, you want to introduce some IoT device, we can take, because today we are going to discuss about IoT device. So we can take one IoT device for smart home. So in this, how will you first check whether this POC, that means the prototype, is possible or not? How you will go for a design? In these days, might be you people have seen many using virtual ideas by applications. Correct, Manoj? Exactly. But how? You have a virtual idea and you have to change the application. How will you do online simulations? Deepti is good answer, online simulations. But these days, the industry and everyone are preferring the 3D design. Okay, so currently you have to go for a 3D design to check. That means 3D printer. You can print yourself your IoT device or something. You can check it whether it's really possible or not. It's a design area. Okay, this is the first step, whether we have, when we are going to change our idea into prototype. We have an idea, I want to change it to prototype, but you have an idea except a device, maybe you have an idea in the software, then you should try it in the online platforms, or not online platforms. You can use it in some tools. You can type your program and you can try it whether it is working or not. You can imagine in these days when we are going for a machine learning, we want to introduce some new algorithm, then you don't need to go for a 3D design. You can actually go and type your program and you can try it whether it's really working or not. So that's another area to change idea into prototype. You can imagine again same we can take example of Rajini movie called Robo. So there you can think about it, how the hero will introduce a robot from idea into prototype. Correct? You can imagine it, how they are first checking whether that is available, that is possible or not. First, initially they will go for a design, then after that they have start to fix the components, and they have to decide what kind of algorithm they have to write. So then finally they will put the chip inside the robot, and finally it will first initial that, you know, one thing in the Robo movie, the first of whatever the hero has introduced a robot, that's called a prototype robot. Why? What do you mean by prototype robot? The proof of concept robot. So he is proving to the audience, that to people, such a kind of design is possible. So when he is showing the Chitty robot to the people, to in front of the audience, he's showing that this is my prototype, because no one has accepted that. So till that acceptance, it was a prototype design. Once people have or the authority has accepted, then finally it will go for the real-time scenario. So until that, that robot was a prototype. So he has to show to the audience, see, this is my prototype. They doesn't use the word called prototype, but generally that robot was a prototype. You can test it. So that's a proof of concept. If authority accepts, then the hero will make thousands of robots in the same design. Am I right or wrong? Because Rajinikanth also used to say the same. If this robot is accepted for the army or for our security purpose, country security purpose, same kind of robot will be manufactured soon, because idea is ready, prototype is ready. Once it is accepted, then they will go for a multiple generation or manufacturing things. You can imagine the car, mobile phone, everything is the same approach. When they have an idea, when they are changing into prototype, first initially they have manufactured one phone. They will test everything. If once it is ready, then they want to go for a launching, then they will go for a, initially they will go for 1 lakh, or depends on the market and depends on the user needs, they will manufacture the number of phones. No one has manufactured in crores. Max, they will, even you can imagine Apple, they are manufacturing only in the lakhs. That means 1 lakh mobile phone, they will design it in a particular version and they will say that we are ready for a market. Yes, anyone have a question? Okay, fine. So they will say that we are ready for a market and we will launch it. And finally, they will say that you can book, you can go for a pre-book. Why they are asking for a free pre-book? Because based on the pre-book only they will manufacture it. Otherwise, the components and everything will be wasted. So they will not go for such things. That is called a prototype. Okay, we'll come back to again to relate with the movie. So in that movie, they are manufacturing one robot as a prototype. So you can think about it, how idea is moved into prototype. First, they have checking whether this kind of such a design is possible, and finally they will think about it, how the hardware components can be connected, and finally they will put the software as a chip. So if someone is removing the software, nothing will work. So automatically its meaning is completely removing the brain. That's not the final one. It's for a movie they have designed like that, but it depends on the manufacturer who is going to design a robot. Okay, so you can imagine why this example I'm saying to imagine how we can change ideas into prototype. Okay, fine, right. So this is actually a prototype. It's a virtual or real model of your invention, something that enables a user or developer to imagine or experience how the invention works. So generally, first they want to understand whether can we really implement this idea. See, everyone have an idea, but for implementing or bringing to solution, that's not easy. Anyone can say, okay, this is idea, can we try it? For an example, I'm not interested to take breakfast, lunch and dinner. If some robot comes, how I'm feeling, whether I'm thirsty or not, everything the robot has to understand, and based on that they have to feed to me. It's an idea, but do you really think it's easy to convertible? How robot can understand I'm thirsty or not? So here we need a lot of smart things. So this is one idea, but in changing into prototype, it's not easy. This is very difficult. But you have in another way you can think about it. We have a mobile phone. In the mobile phone, I want to introduce some games, or I want to increase the resolution of my camera. So it's possible. This is also an idea, but changing into prototype and bringing to the solution, it's quite easy, because when we think about our history, we have already an experience to change the camera resolution. So it's not a big deal to change now. But when I said the robot has to understand what I am feeling, it would be difficult, because currently we don't have such a things. But after 50 years or 100 years, might be this also will become a possible way. You can think about it. Who knows, before 10 years or 5 years, IoT will rule the world and IoT will come everywhere. IoT will be deployed everywhere. And currently we are not discussing. Almost the solution is ready for a driverless car. Who thinks about it? So everyone had thought about it. We need a driver to drive the car. But currently we are in the technology, and technology is going to penetrate in the way of driverless car, because already Elon Musk has achieved it. But bringing to India is a difficult thing. See, the car is ready, the idea is ready, the solution is ready. But when they are going to think about the market, it's not easy, because actually it's possible only in US, not only in US, Europe, US, the other foreign countries is possible. But in India, it's not that easy, because we need a clean road in the sense, not a neat road. There will be no pathholes, but in India, we have a lot of pathholes in the road. So lot of technology, that means a lot of ideas they have to put inside the brain to introduce the car in India. Okay, so still ideas and prototype, everything is ready, but implementing side also we have some criticality. Okay, right, we'll go to next. Right. Next step is, what is the steps we can simply, an outer view we can think how to change a prototype. Before that, do you guys any doubt? Because 30 minutes we have covered. Do you have any questions? Next, we will see about patent, how we can do the papers, how we can record our thoughts and everything. Do you have any questions? Yeah, any question is okay, not a problem. Anything is fine. Clear? Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, Venkat. Right. So now next we'll go to the next step. How we can change our idea into prototype. You can imagine now you are ready for your final year project. So your idea is ready. What generally you people will do? You will go to your respective guide, and that means your respective professor. You will go to them and say that, sir, this is my idea. Someone is sending. Can you elaborate the design part of any prototype? Yeah, exactly. In the upcoming day, now in the upcoming slides, we will see the design part. Okay, right. So first thing about it, we can take example from your side itself, because I don't want to say in a higher end example, because if I'll say higher end example, you can't imagine it. So always we'll go in a basic example where you have a scope. So you have a project idea, and you will go to the respective professor and you can say that, sir, this is my idea. And what your professor will ask, can you able to sketch this? Sketch means what? For an example, you are going to connect with okay, we have one question. Suppose taken Manoj Reddy, suppose take an example, can we transmit electricity wirelessly? In what way we need to approach the best way for implementing the idea? Yeah, currently, actually, you can share the electricity wirelessly. You can think about the wireless charger. Okay, Manoj Reddy. So you can take example here of wireless charger, but you current technology, current environment, you can't expect everything equal to the wired. So the same concept of how we are sending a data wirelessly, the same way. So the electricity here is actually, we can take example how the wireless charger is working. The real example we can take how the wireless charger is working, how we are transmitting data or doing it in the transformer way. Okay, so you can take example, you want to design a wireless charger. Like, you know, currently we have a wireless earphone for our mobile phones. So we can take such a same example, like how we can transmit electricity wirelessly. So here, when you are going to make a design, here you don't need to think about much about hardwares. You have to only go for your design. How will you generally, how you'll make a design? General, first question. How will you think about designing the wireless charger according to your technical idea? This is the first question. So first we should understand about it, how wireless chargers are working. How wireless chargers are working. Thing is, creating a magnet